everyone, welcome to the festive series on my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can style your basic kurtas in different ways. So if you're interested, please keep on watching.
I hope you've checked out my previous festive video. It's a simple Indian festive makeup look. Please do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box.
So I'll be styling a red, an off-white, a golden and a black kurta, each in two different ways. Both the looks will be festive. The first one a little understated, maybe for the daytime, but the second looks with each kurta is going to be full on festive and wedding guest appropriate looks. So shop smart this festive season. Invest in basics that you will be able to use in multiple ways, create new looks and eventually get more wear out of the pieces of clothing.
Starting with the basic off-white kurta, the one that I'm wearing is an off-white anarkali. It has a round neckline, full sleeves and sort of ruffle details at the bottom. It also has a really nice flare. I have teamed it up with basic off-white straight pants. For the daytime look, I'm wearing a blue bindi and nude lipstick. And for footwear, I've gone for these Ajrak flats in brown leather. So I'm adding color to the outfit with different accessories. I will be using different tones of blue. The necklace that I'm wearing has beautiful blue stones and turquoise beads. I'm also wearing a ring with turquoise stones. Next, I will casually drape an Ajrak dupatta. I have sort of matched the dupatta with the shoes. And for bag, I will be carrying this gorgeous brown leather bag. I love how all the accessories are complementing each other. So this is the finished daytime look. Now let's transform this to a nighttime outfit. For the nighttime look, I am wearing the same off-white anarkali with the straight pants. I have kept the same blue bindi, but I've changed the lipstick to a burnt orange color. For footwear, I'm wearing my one and only beige heels with golden embellishments. Honestly, these work so well with all my Indian wear, so I don't feel the need to buy new shoes. For jewelry, I'm going to add this stunning pearl and kundan layered necklace, a kundan statement ring, and these gorgeous, really heavy round pearl and kundan statement earrings. I have kept the jewelry in the same tone as the outfit, and to add some color, I will be draping this really beautiful royal blue Banarasi dupatta. Finally, I will be adding a peach color bag to complete the look. And the glamorous nighttime look is ready. So this is how you can glam up any outfit just by changing a few accessories. Now moving on to the red outfit. So this is a sleeveless red kurta with golden embellishment on the front neckline and buttons in front. It has a slit in front and a beautiful flare. For the daytime look, I've paired it with red palazzo pants. For footwear, I'm wearing these black leather jutis and I'm also wearing a black bindi. And for lipstick, I've gone for a nude shade. Then for jewelry, I've chosen these dual toned earrings, and since the kurta has golden embellishment in front, I will skip the necklace. Instead, I'll add a statement ring. I'm really liking the look of dupattas with my outfits, so I'm going to add this reversible kantha stitch dupatta. This is actually a stole and I'm draping the yellow side. Along with kantha embroidery, this dupatta also has a block printed border, and I think this is going really well with this kurta, especially because of the embellishment on the neckline. Then I will be carrying this multicolor metallic bag. And this is the finished daytime look. And I really like the way this turned out. Please let me know what you think about this look. Moving on to the nighttime look. For the nighttime look, I'm wearing the same kurta with the red palazzo pants, but I have changed my shoes into these beige and golden embellished heels. I have also changed the bindi and the lip color, so I'm wearing a red bindi along with red lipstick. For jewelry, I'll be wearing this gorgeous kundan and pearl bracelet along with a pearl ring. I will also add these kundan statement earrings. Again, I have skipped the necklace because of the embellished neckline. Next, I will be adding a multicolor bandhni dupatta. This dupatta has green, orange and red colors along with a golden gotapatti border. Such dupattas can make any outfit look festive. For my bag, I am carrying this golden clutch. And this is the finished look. It's super glamorous and very festive. Next we have the golden outfit. For the daytime look, I have paired the golden kurta with golden palazzo pants along with black leather jutis. I am wearing a black bindi and nude lipstick. Next I will add on loads of silver jewelry, starting with this pearl and mirror work necklace. Next I will be layering on another long silver and mirror work necklace. I love layering different necklaces and I think that silver on the golden base is looking really nice. I will also wear this really pretty mirror work hurtful. I love silver jewelry and these pieces are looking so nice together. I also have the most perfect dupatta with this outfit. It's this organza dupatta with both silver and golden work. The base of the dupatta is actually silver with some white and golden zari work. I had randomly got this dupatta some time back and it's just going perfectly with this look. Finally, I'm carrying this dark grey color clutch bag with golden work. This one was also an impulsive purchase. And I think the dupatta and the bag completes the look perfectly. And this is the finished daytime festive look. This is my favorite look in this video. Now let's move on to the nighttime look. For the nighttime look, I'm wearing the same golden anarkali kurta with the palazzo pants, and for footwear I've gone for my beige color heels. I'm also wearing a dark green bindi and nude lipstick. I will keep the jewelry very simple for this look. So I'm wearing these really small kundan earrings. I will also wear a simple kundan necklace, a kundan statement ring and kundan bangles. Then I will add this beautiful golden dupatta. Carry a golden clutch bag and a simple yet glamorous monochrome look is ready. Now let's move on to the black outfit. For the black outfit, I'm wearing this black angrakha kurta. It has a deep front V neckline, 3/4 sleeves and a really nice flare. For the daytime look, I have teamed it up with black palazzo pants, and for footwear, I'm wearing my black jutis. Also wearing a black bindi and nude lipstick. Again, I'll add loads of silver jewelry like this DIY ghungru and mirror statement ring. Then I will stack up 3 silver kada bangles. Then I'll wear a mirror work and ghungru choker necklace. Then once again I'll drape the kantha embroidered stole. This time I've used the colorful side of the stole. And carry this really pretty Banjara sling bag. And this is the finished daytime look. It's really colorful and I really like the way this turned out. For the nighttime look, I'm wearing the same kurta and palazzos with my beige heels. I'm wearing a magenta bindi along with magenta lipstick. Then for jewelry, I'm wearing a pink enamel ring, a kundan choker necklace, and a hatful. Next, I will drape this gorgeous magenta Banarasi dupatta. The best part about basic outfits is that you can style them however you like, use different accessories, and each time you'll have a new look. For bag, I will carry this pink and blue clutch bag, and this is the finished nighttime look for the black outfit.
So these were all the looks. I hope you found this video useful. So shop smart this festive season, invest in timeless pieces. And that is it for this video. You can find my social media details in the description box. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.